It is designed in such a way that the reflectors are mostly towards the left and the right and not up and down. If you see separately, you might not notice the difference, but now when I put this comparison, this is a plug and play thing and easy to install. There's only one technicality that you need to remember. It's a very good thing they have provided. You can adjust the orientation, so once it is installed you can turn. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Rebuilds. This is going to be a quick one. In this episode we are going to replace the headlight bulbs of our Honda City. Right now it has halogen bulbs and I got this new H4 LEDs. These are 240 watts. That's the maximum that our car can support, and 24,000 lumens. So I'm going to install this. This is going to be a very easy install. I got this for 4,000 rupees because the shop owner knew me. But anyways, if you try to buy it, you might get it anywhere up to 6,000 rupees, right? So these are quite expensive because the bulbs you get it only for 100 rupees each. Yeah, so I'm going to replace it because the headlights are not that bright in my car anymore, so it's quite difficult to see at night. So yeah, let's do it. It's gonna be a quick install. Let's unbox and do it. Let's now unbox it. This is for my thumbnail right here. Okay, now unboxing it. It comes in a very solid, nice box. Just open it like this. Okay, and this is the warranty card. They didn't enter anything for me, but I guess, oh, warranty period of 24 months. So it has a warranty of 2 years. And then this is how it looks inside the packing. Let me just open and show you one of the LEDs. This is the LED. This is the LED booster, and then it is plug and play. You can just directly plug it here where the old bulbs are installed. So you can just plug it and install the LEDs. This is how it looks. Check it out. And this socket is useful for the installation. That's all you get, 2 LEDs in the box. So let's now remove the old LEDs first and then we will install it. Keep it to the side for now. It's completely dark, and let me show you the before. Right now we have halogen headlamps. Okay, let's turn on the headlights. Wow, it looks super good right now. But actually it is not so bright on the road. This is a closed space, so that's why maybe, you know, it brightens up everything right here. And also there are a lot of objects to reflect from, so that's why it looks pretty bright, but it's actually not. These are halogen headlamps, and check this out. They are both yellow. Meet Max. Both yellow, right? And let me also show you from the inside how it looks. This is how it looks. A little bit wide angle. Check this out. And low beam and high beam. This is low beam and this is high beam. So this is the before, and I'll show you the after once we install it. Turn it off. Now let's take out the old bulb. It's quite easy. The area is a bit low light, so I have this torch. Let me place it somewhere nice so that I can show you. Right there, 1 and 2. Okay, first thing is, let's unplug the electrical connection. This right here is a 3-pin socket that we need to pull out just like that. Out it comes, and just place it on the side. Next is this rubber covering which we need to take off. This is to prevent the dust from going inside the headlights right here, and just place it on the side. Next, now you can see the bulb. I hope you can see, right? This is held in place using one wire which is locked, so you can just, I hope you can see, you can just press this lock from here and just pull it out like this, and out it comes the bulb. Right here is the old bulb. Place it on the side, and let's remove the other bulb as well quickly. So here are both the bulbs. Now let's keep them aside and install our LEDs. Ta-da! So even though this is a plug and play thing and easy to install, there's only one technicality that you need to remember. That is, this LED should be installed like this. I mean, you see, it should not be horizontal like this. It should be vertical. The bulbs should be on the left and the right. So you see these two LEDs, these should be vertically oriented and should be facing left and the right. Why? Because if you see the headlight, it is designed in such a way that the reflectors are mostly towards the left and the right and not up and down. So it will give a better focus and you'll see better lighting if you install it this way. If you install it this way, it will still be okay, I mean better than your normal headlights, but you know, you will not be getting the full efficiency of it. Now before installing it, I'll also show you in this socket. When you install it, there are two notches on the bulb, they go into these two notches on the socket, and then it's a very good thing they have provided, you can adjust the orientation. So once it is installed, you can turn the bulb to whatever orientation you want, so you don't have to worry how you install the socket. So let's start by installing the socket first. Let's now install. So the first thing is this socket. Ayo, the light fell down, just a second. Okay, there you go. Okay, so the first thing is this socket, and as I told earlier, this socket, the extension part goes outwards, so don't worry about the orientation, you can just place it in okay, right there. Now you see it's sitting properly, and then this wire is what locks it in place. Just push it a bit like this, and there you go. So now it's locked properly in place, and unlike the halogen bulb, in this case you have to install the cover first. So it goes like this, and just push it in, and that's it. Now the cover is installed. What you need to do next is to install the LED. Now also you don't need to worry about the orientation. First just put it in, okay, rotate it a bit so that the locks fit in place. Okay, finally it's in. Okay, once it is locked, make sure you can, okay, it's fitted. Now the last thing you need to do is connect this 3-pin socket. Don't worry about the polarities, just connect it in the headlight sockets right here. Right, there's only one way you can connect it, so don't need to worry about the polarity. Right here, these are the two sockets, and just connect them. There you go, done. Now is the last tricky part. Let me just show you. Finally, when you're done with all of these, now you need to make sure the LED bulb's orientation is correct. If you see that LED bulb is oriented flat, now I have to just rotate it a bit. Okay, hope you can see it's rotating, and check this out. Now it's oriented to the left and the right, so orientation is correct. This is installed, so we are done. And now I just need to fix this boom, you know, so that it doesn't keep hanging like this. Let's just fix the boosters with some zip ties. So I fixed the boosters with the zip tie right there, so it won't be just hanging around and messing with other stuff. And that's it, we are done. Here are the old bulbs. Let's now test. Let's now check the response. Chabi kitte hai? Andar hai. Say hi to Max. Let me show you how it looks during the daytime. It consumes a lot of power, so let me just turn it on. And never mind, okay, let's just keep it on. Turn on the headlights. Check this out. This is high beam and low beam. You won't feel the difference during daytime as much, because obviously sun is the most powerful light. But anyways, yeah, right here, check this out. These are white lights. Used to have halogen yellow lights, but now they have white, and this is high beam. And I will show you in the evening when it's dark. I'll show you another comparison, like, so you'll be able to compare before and after from halogen to how it looks. Yep, it's night time, and let me show you the response of the headlight, how it looks. Check this out. White, complete white. This is high beam and this is low beam. Check this out. This is a major difference, right? Okay, you can compare the before and after, and let me show you on the road as well. Check this out. This is how it looks with the new LED headlamps. Now this is low beam, and let me show you the high beam as well. Check this out. There's a significant difference. If just my headlight glasses were clean, it would have been much better, but yeah, let me show you the previous one as well. Check out the old, these are the old halogen bulbs, and if you compare, this is low beam and this is high beam. If you see separately, you might not notice the difference, but now when I put this comparison, you can definitely see the difference. The LED lights are much brighter than the old halogen ones, and even the upcoming traffic now has to put their lights on low beam. Low beam kariyo. So this was the response of our LEDs, the new LEDs that we installed. Our headlights, the glasses are a bit blurred out, so it will be way better if we get it buffed. But yeah, for now, this is how it is. Hope you like the video. Like, share, subscribe. Say hi to Max. Yo, Max. Bye bye. Like, share, subscribe. Tata. Hey, तू आ गया? Oye, कहाँ जाएगा? कहाँ जाएगा, Max? Where will you go, Max? Maxi.
If you like this video, please consider subscribing.
This guy's not slowing down. Yeah, that's confirmed. He's not stopping. Code 3.